Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use the audio track mixer in Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is a very useful panel if you've ever used anything similar in other editing software. It enables you to individually control the volume and mixing of your audio tracks. So if you don't see it, all you have to do to enable it is go to Window and go over here to Audio Track Mixer. So I've got it enabled here in this panel, but you can also move this around wherever you'd prefer it to be. But I like to keep it about here. So as you can see here, I have three audio channels and three bars that I can move. My check, my check. There you go. So everything that you hear is going to be metered separately. So in the first audio channel, we have our music, and in the second channel, we have our voiceover. And if you'd like to fine tune this so that making sure that one does not overpower the other, you can do so in the mixer right here. Check by check. This is a raw audio recording sample. Just like so. So it's really quick and really easy. And remember that this changes the volume level of the entire audio track. So if you have multiple things in your timeline, it's going to affect everything. So this is more of just a finishing touch for when you're done mastering or for when you're done composing your project's timeline. So that's it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.